my page. Today we want to make a caramelized apple cake. Let's go. First of all, for making the caramel, we need 1 cup of sugar that I pour in a saucepan, and I'm heating now. Let's go. Okay, this is our sugar with golden brown color. Look at the color. It's so perfect. Well, now I'm adding a half cup of butter. And I'm mixing well. I'm heating this caramel again. Well, our caramel is ready. Look at the color and the texture. It's so perfect. Well, I put it aside, this caramel, and now I want to prepare my cake ingredients. First of all, I'm cracking 2 eggs. One cup sugar, 1 cup oil, vanilla powder, and we are mixing well. The texture must be creamy and light, as I show you later. Okay, this is our favorite texture. Now I'm adding 1 cup of our milk and mixing again. Well, now we have 2 or 3 cups of flour that I'm adding and showing you. Which I'm adding my baking powder. Also 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. I'm adding and mixing gently. We need 1 cup more. It depends on your ingredients. Okay, our cake ingredients is ready. I put it aside also beside of my caramel sauce, and let's make our apple. Now I want to peeling off my apples. Okay, now I want to remove inside of my apple. As you see, ta-da! Well, I'm slicing my apples like this. Look, this is so nice and thin. Well, I'm bringing my pancake, and now I'm putting all my apple inside of this pan, same as circle. Well, first of all, I should pour my caramel sauce inside of my pan, but it's a little sticky and little hard. We should reheat again and then spread the sauce inside of our cake pan, and after that arrange our apple same as circle. Let's go. I'm pouring my caramel sauce inside of my cake pan, as you can see here. And then arrange my apple like a circle. Be careful, our caramel sauce is so hot, and you should arrange it carefully. This is my arrangement. Well, now I'm pouring my cake ingredients on top of this apple, and after that, when I upside down my cake, all of the apples with the mixing of caramel sauce, it's visible and it's so amazing. I mix it again and pour all my ingredients on top of this apple and tasty caramel sauce. I spread all ingredients on top of my apples, and as you see, I beat it 3 times on top of my table. 1, 2, 3, because I want to remove the bubbles which inside and outside of our ingredients. That's enough. Okay, I preheated my oven to 180 centigrade, and I will put it for 30 minutes. Our cake is ready. Let me show you, and upside down the cake. Let me show you the color and the texture, but I cannot explain how amazing smell that it has. Well, I want to put back this cake. Let me show you. Wow! It's so amazing. Look at my scrabble. smells like heaven. I'm so excited about my result. But, well, I prepared my tea and now I want to serve it for you to try the taste and texture. Let's go. It sounds so great. Look. This is amazing. This is amazing. Wow. This is a masterpiece of honey. I want to try with super delicious tea. This is magical green tea. You don't believe how I feel. The mix of smells sounds so great. Wow, it's so amazing. It's unbelievable. It's so perfect. It's so delicious. You cannot believe that it's more delicious than that I had in the restaurant. I suggest you to make it at home and share it with your beloved ones. You can eat as much as you want. It is more affordable, more cheaper, and more delicious. Thank you for paying attention.